If you're just starting YouTube or you're a new creator, you just started your channel, you don't know how things are, you're still trying to learn about YouTube, then you need to avoid these 4 common mistakes that I'm going to be sharing in this video, because these 4 mistakes can hinder your growth here on YouTube. It can frustrate your effort, and it is also going to make you quit YouTube. So if you're a small channel, you're a new creator, you're a new YouTuber, this video is for you. Do well to watch this video from beginning to the end, because what I'm going to share is really going to help you, and do well to avoid these 4 things. Hey beautiful people, you're welcome back to this channel. My name is Buki. On this channel I share tips that can help you grow fast on YouTube, that can also help you get monetized, and also share tips you need to avoid as a YouTuber. So if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, you are welcome. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, so that whenever I drop another video that is really going to help your channel grow, you're going to be the first person to see it. And without much being said, let me take you straight into the main. Now, the first common mistake most new YouTubers make here on YouTube is creating videos about yourself. Creating videos for yourself. Yes, creating videos nobody cares about, because what most people come to YouTube for is for them to get entertained, is for them to get motivated, and for them to learn, which is also educational. So if your videos does not fall into these categories, you're just making videos for yourself. Now, for example, you create a video, 10 facts about myself. Nobody is going to watch, because nobody cares. The only people that are going to watch are your family members. But if you make a video on the 2 things I did to make my first million in 1 month, people are definitely going to watch, because people will be curious to know, what did you do? What are the 2 things you did that actually generated that money for you? Because people are looking for solutions. People are willing to learn new things every day. So if you should upload a video about 10 things about myself, or 10 things you don't know about me, nobody cares, okay? Except if you have built an audience, or you are influential in other social media platforms, and then you tend to bring people from other social media platforms to come watch your videos on YouTube. That is when you're going to get views, okay? But if you're just starting afresh and nobody knows you, YouTube is here to understand who your audience are. YouTube is here to understand what your channel is all about, and you make videos about yourself, nobody is going to watch, okay? So if you're just starting up YouTube, make sure you create videos for people. Make sure you create videos people want to see. Make sure you create videos that will interest others, not about yourself. Now, the second common mistake most small YouTubers or new YouTubers actually make whenever they start YouTube is starting a YouTube channel without knowledge, without research. That is when you're going to see a lot of new YouTube channels, they get shadow banned. YouTube took down their videos. One thing you need to know if you want to start YouTube, you need to know the YouTube community guidelines. You need to read through to see how the platform works, because if you just start uploading randomly, you're going to hurt your channel and you're going to waste your time, because YouTube does not take their platform for a joke. If you violate any of their rules, they're definitely going to take down your videos, and it is going to frustrate your efforts, okay? So before you start up a YouTube channel, make sure you make research. Try to read about the YouTube community guidelines. Go through it to see what YouTube wants and what they don't want on their platform, so that you don't put a lot of effort and then that channel ends up getting shadow banned, or you end up losing your channel. And that is why I've decided to create this 3 days YouTube growth class, where I get to share everything that I can't share on YouTube, and how I was able to get monetized in just 30 days, okay? If you're a new YouTuber, if you're a beginner here on YouTube, this class is for you, okay? So do well to check the details in the description of this video. It is really going to help you, okay? Do not do YouTube alone. You need someone to hold your hand. Now, the third common mistake most new YouTubers actually make is not focusing on a niche. And I know that is very common, because as a new YouTuber, you just opened your channel, you want to try different things. But trying different things is actually good, and at the same time, it is going to slow your growth. It is going to slow your progress. Reason being that when you upload different things, today you're in the football niche, tomorrow you're in the cooking niche, you are going to confuse the algorithm. And the more you confuse the algorithm, the more your channel is going to be down, because there are a lot of channels popping up every day struggling to get noticed by the algorithm. So that is why if you don't have a focused niche, your channel is really going to struggle. You need to let the algorithm know what you want to do. You really need to know what this particular channel you're starting is all about, and focus and face it, okay? So if you want to do football, let football be football. If you want to do cooking, let your channel be all about cooking. The fourth mistake most new YouTubers make is not uploading in a consistent schedule. Yes, it is very important. If you upload randomly here on YouTube, it is going to affect your channel. It is very important, because you need to train the algorithm to know the timing which you upload your videos. Now, what I mean is that your upload schedules must be constant. Now, for example, you started your YouTube channel, you uploaded twice in the first week, you uploaded once in the second week, and then you leave that channel and you come back after 3 months to start again and start uploading. That is not having a consistent upload schedule. Okay, because this is really going to affect your channel. If you want to upload on YouTube, at least let's say in a week, you should have a schedule that, okay, in a week I'm going to upload 1 videos, and every week let it be so that every week you must upload 1 videos. Not that you're going to upload 1 videos today and then you come back after 2 months to upload another videos. That way you are not going to grow, and it is going to frustrate your effort, and that is when you're going to say, oh, YouTube is not for me. I've put a lot of effort filming, editing, and still I don't get the views. It is because you have not trained the algorithm enough to understand your upload timing, to understand your upload schedule. So these are the 4 mistakes you should never do as a new YouTuber. These are the 4 mistakes you should avoid as a new channel. Okay, so this will be the end of this video. If you find this video very helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, if you have any question, drop me your comments in the comment section. I'll be right there in the comments, and I'll see you next time in my next video. Bye.